Hello everybody, Andrea Majewski here with Epicure. So I'm going to be showing you guys some of my absolute favorite products from Epicure. Now I could have listed probably 3 times as many products here, but I kind of wanted to keep it short and simple, especially for those who are new to Epicure or you want to get started, you've heard about Epicure, you want to buy stuff, but you don't have hundreds and hundreds of dollars to really buy everything. So I want to show you guys some items that you won't be sorry, that even if you bought a couple of these, you won't be sorry. And number one would be our steamers. I talk about our steamers often because you won't find our steamers anywhere else. You won't find a silicone cookware item with a lid that is quality silicone. Have you ever bought silicone before from Amazon, Walmart even, and then you go to use it and you can smell that silicone smell when you're cooking? That's not normal. That means it's made from somewhere that you don't want it, okay? So you don't want any bad quality silicone products. Epicure is amazing. This is good quality, but on top of that too, anything you cook in our silicone products cooks quicker. And here's a little like cheat sheet for you. You can cook oatmeal, you can cook popcorn, you can cook potatoes, you can cook eggs, salmon, anything. Pop it in the microwave and it cooks so much quicker. We just made actually some mashed potatoes in the multi-purpose steamer, so our larger one, it took about 8 minutes. That's it. We made mashed potatoes, you guys, in 8 minutes. So our steamers are a must-have. This is our small one, the rectangular steamer. This is our square steamer, which is only available in the States right now. But we have, in Canada, we have the rectangular one and the multi-purpose one, which I do have in one of these icons here, but of course, I don't remember where it is. Otherwise, I would show you guys. I'm looking at the titles right now and I don't see it, but I will show you guys when we get to it, okay? So our steamers, check it out. Okay, next one, I'll talk about the burgers a bit later, Caesar salad a bit later, but our pad thai. So funny thing is, I never thought that I liked pad thai. I probably had it once and it wasn't good pad thai, I don't know, and I never really tried it again, but everybody told me how amazing our pad thai meal packs were, so I had to have it. It really is amazing. You can make it at home so much quicker, so much easier, it tastes amazing, and look, there's not a lot in there. That's how you know it's healthy. And sodium, only 25 milligrams. If you were to eat out, it's probably at least 100 milligrams of sodium, probably more. This is a must try if you like pad thai, okay? You guys will love it. Next one, toasted onion, you guys. So toasted onion, so you don't have to chop onions ever again. I hate chopping onions. I used to work at Subway as a teenager, and when we had to prep for the day, I would never want to chop onions because I would just be crying for like forever. It was horrible. Toasted onion means you don't have to chop anymore. You do not have to cry anymore. If you only use half of an onion and you don't need the other half, that's okay. It won't go to waste. Shoot, I don't have the jar in front of me, but I think it's like a teaspoon of toasted onion is good for like a medium onion. Oh no, sorry, it says right here. So 1 teaspoon is equal to 1/4 of a medium onion. So that's pretty good. So you don't have to have onions in the house ever again. No waste, a must have. The same type of thing with minced garlic. Who doesn't love it? I love garlic, you guys, but you don't always use all of it, right? This way, you do not have to keep it all, and it's just so much easier to cook with it. For this one, half a teaspoon is equal to 1 medium. So that's amazing. No mess, no nothing. A must have. Next one. This is actually extremely popular. So even I have customers who put the everything bagel seasoning like on toast. I have some customers who put it like on cereal, on their oatmeal, on you can put it on chips. You can put it on cheese. meats, fish, pretty much anything. This is a must-have because you can use anything with it, and it is so, so good. And even if you do open it up and don't use all of it, it's good for like 2 years. So you cannot go wrong. No sugar added. Amazing. Next one, Caesar salad mix. Who does not like a good Caesar salad? I know I do. Don't buy it from the store because it won't stay good long enough. It's probably loaded with sugar. Make your own at home. And this one only has 1 gram of sugar, I believe. Yes, it tastes amazing. All you need is, I believe it's like vinegar, mayonnaise. I just made it the other day. Yogurt, you could even add to it, but it tastes amazing. Add as much or as little as you want. For 1 full jar, it can make up to 4.5 cups. That's pretty good. Next one, you guys. This is just our summer collection right now. So depending on when you watch the video, you might not have this available, but it just kind of has a little bit of our new products sort of added into a good summer collection. So you get a little bit of everything. You can make a soup. It includes some toppers, tea, our creamy potatoes, our creamy potato salad mix, a lot of things in here, you guys. So this is a good deal overall. It's about $100 Canadian and $97 in US. So just sort of a good kind of collection. If you wanted like a little bit of everything, but you didn't really know like, okay, do I want a soup? Do I want a dessert? Do I want a topper? This has a little bit of everything in it. So I love this. Oh, our cooking, our like silicone prepping set. I purchased this when I had some free product credit, so I was able to get this set for half off. This is a great set because it just has what you need. Who here opens up their like kitchen cupboards and there's like kitchen tools everywhere? You probably don't even use more than half of it, right? Honestly, take all of that out, put it away somewhere, purchase this, put these, I think it's like 5 things, yeah, 5 things in your cupboard. This will be all you need. It is amazing. I bought this, amazing. As I said, it's $66 Canadian. I purchased it at half off, so you couldn't go wrong with that. But you will be amazed how easy any like silicone cookware is to clean. A must have. Quality silicone. Next one. This would definitely have to be my favorite. I had started Epicure with this, our extraordinary trio dips. So mix all 3 of them. It seriously makes the best dip ever. Take it anywhere. People will love you and they will ask for more. For this 3-pack, only $26.85. Amazing, you guys. You could use only like 1 if you wanted to, but mix all 3. It is so good. People will want more and more and more. It even comes in this like gift like box package. Nice for anybody too. So this is seasonal, so it's not available year round. So depending on when you're watching this, our smoky sriracha sea salt, my favorite. I literally ordered like 10. I'm not even joking. When this first came out, I tried it. I was like, oh my God, that is so good. So I had ordered 3, but they quickly started to sell out. This is only for Canada, I believe, but it's amazing. You will love it. Yes, it's sea salt, you guys, but look, like it just has a little bit of everything in it, and it just sort of adds like that extra twist of flavor to anything. You have not tried anything like it, trust me. Order this if you are able to watch the video in time and you're in Canada because it is seasonal. Oh my God, it's so good. Creamy potato salad, you guys. Who does not like a good potato salad? This is new. I believe it's in Canada and the US. A must have. People will love you. You can make like potato salad in like 10 minutes. It's amazing. This is what you would use to mix up your own salad dressings. I like the Caesar salad. I like the Italian. We have some amazing ones. It just sort of makes it easy to kind of like mix it up and store it in the fridge. A must have for sure. And it's not expensive. It's like $8.95. If you go to Amazon and buy another one somewhere, they're a lot more expensive. And yes, it does come with a lid, which is helpful. The mandolin. This is one of my first purchases with Epicure too. When I purchased mine, it was an older version because mine's black. I didn't know how much I needed one until I purchased one. It just makes everything easier, like for cucumbers, for carrots, for potatoes, for what else have I used it with? For peppers, like it just sort of cuts everything up so nice and easy. So anything you're like prepping for, it just takes less time. So definitely, you guys, a must have. It's a good price. It's $30 for like a good quality one. You have to be careful where you buy yours. Like if you go to Walmart, to Amazon, you will probably get a not so good quality one and they don't last. These last forever. Next one, this is new, our muffin maker. Pop them in the microwave for 8 minutes, done. How easy is that? It does go in the dishwasher, I believe. Yes, it does. Again, you can't go wrong. Raw to ready in 20 minutes. This is new as well. It just sort of gives you some recipes from raw to ready in 20 minutes, and it does highlight our steamers. So this is nice to have because I find people who purchase our steamer, they kind of say to me, okay, can you give me some ideas of how to cook with it? Like, what do you use in it? Because I want to use it as much as possible. Where did that go? So that's what this is for. And it's only $10, so you might as well purchase it because it just sort of helps, right? Like it just helps to put everything together from raw to ready in 20 minutes or less. You can make all kinds of things. Amazing. White cheddar popcorn seasoning. Yes, we have popcorn seasonings. You have not loved popcorn until you use our popcorn seasonings. Amazing. I use coconut oil too, and it just sort of helps it stick better, but definitely try at least one of our popcorn seasonings. We also have maple kettle corn and creamy dill. I love the maple kettle corn. That would have to be my next favorite. So definitely try that out. This is for Canada and the States. This is new as well. It just became available in the States. Our sweet banana bread and muffin mix. Tastes just like what you used to have as a kid. I'm telling you, tastes so good. Takes 10 minutes. Can't go wrong. Canada seasoning. So this is new as well. So I apologize again. If you guys are watching the video, say a couple months from now, you might not have all of these products, but I put this on everything. Yes, it's called O Canada. It's only available in Canada, I'm pretty sure, but it's so good. And there's only 6 grams of sugar. It tastes like there's a lot of sugar in there just because like it's so good. I'd say it's on the sweeter side too, but I love it. Oh my goodness, a must have. Like I would put this on like meat, seafood, potatoes, my salads, vegetables. Really, really good, you guys. Chicken broth, a must have. Don't go to the store anymore and purchase those like packages or cans of chicken broth, because what ends up happening is you use half of it, you put it in the fridge, you forget about it, and then you have to throw it out, right? Take what you need from here. It's about, you add 1.5 teaspoons per cup. So if you're making like a big thing of soup and you need 8 cups, add 8 teaspoons plus 1/2 per cup. Tastes so good, so easy, and you don't have to purchase all of those cans anymore. The best thing ever, I'm telling you. Butter chicken. My husband loves this, okay? Well, not me, but he would order it all the time. Since we've been at home now and we can't really eat out, oh my gosh, he loves this, you guys. So easy to make. I can't say that enough. It's amazing. I believe there's only 1 gram of sugar and 25 milligrams of sodium. That's pretty good. If you were to eat this out anywhere, I can tell you it'd be like 5 times as much. So Epicure, again, is just healthier, quicker, and you can make amazing meals at home. Okay, guys, just about 7 more left. Our caramel sauce. Did you know we have caramel sauce? So much healthier than anything you can get in the store, and make it yourself. I mean, how amazing would you sound saying that you made your own caramel sauce? Who makes their own caramel sauce? You do. Definitely pick this up, you guys. It tastes so good. Thank me later, okay? Our petite portion, like silicone matte pans, okay? Matte pans, mats, whatever. Yes, you can put them in the dishwasher. This is good for anything. Like say you're making muffin mix. Put the mix in here. Easy on the go snack. So you don't even have to eat like a full muffin if you don't want to. Have just a little piece. Easy snacks on the go, you guys. This is new. Our 4-cup prep bowl. Trust me, purchase it. You will not know how much you needed one until you have one. Purchase it, you guys. It is only $14.95. I think it was like a 3-cup prep bowl from Walmart for like years, but it doesn't have a lid. That was about $25, I think even $29. This is 4 cups, only $14.95 Canada, $12.95 in the US, and it has a lid. So easy to store, easy to take with you to places. I'm telling you, a must-have again. This is the multi-purpose steamer that I was telling you guys about. You can make anything with it. I love it. Our chocolatey temptation cupcake mix. Who doesn't like chocolate? Who doesn't like cupcakes? Make it yourself at home. With the muffin maker that I had shown you guys earlier, you can put them in the microwave, 8 minutes, done and done. Oh, this is just our kit. So sorry, that was another video that I was doing. Oh, look, and a menu. That was another video that I was doing where I was explaining our kit and just sort of what's in there. So those are my, I guess, favorite products, you guys. Let me know if you have any questions. I'm not going to leave the links on the bottom because that would take too much time, but if there's something that you can't find, let me know and then I am happy to send you the link. All you guys have to do is go to the Epicure website, which I can leave the link for that. For Canada, there's a separate site for the US. Just do a search and then it will pop up right there. So have fun, you guys, but if you are looking to place your first order, let me know because I like to send people a free product with their first order. So let me know, send me a comment, send me an email, and I'm happy to help you guys out. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys very soon.